starting the day like pretty much in the evening today. What have I done since morning? Like binge watch a lot of YouTube. That's all I've done since morning. Like binge watch a lot of YouTube. I think the world's largest, tallest lemongrass that I've ever seen. You usually see them like a foot and a half. It's probably 10 feet tall. That is legit the number of cables that ACT actually has put through in this area. That's powering our internet. That's the only reason that I'm consistently able to upload the vlogs. Thank you, ACT, whenever you're actually working. I legit only have like 2 things to do today evening. I actually legit only have like 2 things to do today evening, and so depending on like the choice of things that I do today, this vlog just might be like 45 minutes long. So just giving you a heads up that there's a reason why this vlog might be 45 minutes long. Part of the reason of me walking through this is like I introduced review to my like favorite bridge. It's my favorite bridge. Did you know that? I love this bridge. This it's not a bridge, it's so depending on like what I'm doing, I might need a lot of caffeine, so that's why I'm doing a pour over rather than like the cappuccino thing. So I'm trying to get like into tea this year, like a little bit more tea before going to bed. That's what I'm trying to do, like a blood orange one. De-stress tea. I should buy one of these de-stress teas. I'm so stressed out. Twinings has cranberry, it's got pomegranate. I should try one of these. Probably it can try. I think this is the one that Jatin has, which is green apple. He's got actually green apple and cranberry. Cranberry. Try to get into. I'm almost fed. I've literally always wanted to come over here and vlog just because of the lights over here. Fantastic. Okay, now that like the caffeine content the caffeine in my body is like through the roof, and before like the whole high thing goes away, so this is what I'm gonna do. So I already apologize, like this vlog is gonna be 45 minutes long. This is the reason why it's gonna be 45 minutes long, because and I'm speaking super fast because I'm like the caffeine content is just through the roof. I need to figure out how Starbucks makes their pour over, because my pour over is never as strong as like the ones that Starbucks makes. Like the Starbucks one just will legit keep me awake now through the night. So the reason is because I think I mentioned 2 days back that I need to be able to automate things, and I hate the fact that every time I like dump the footage on the iPad, then I need to basically upload it to Google Photos, and then when I want to clear it up, then it just essentially takes forever, because it has to go through like there are multiple places where my editor puts it, and then there's like the actual physical copy of the videos, and then I need to clear it up. I want to automate it. It just seems weird, but there's also random like wind chimes that are gonna happen in the background, because I'm 100% sure that's Vibu. She just passed through a wind chime because she didn't see it. She does that a lot. I can't help it. She does that more often than required. She does that. Anyway, so that's the plan. So the next thing I'm going to do is synchronize. I don't think it makes sense I synchronize the camera and the screen recording and the audio. It doesn't make sense. These two have to be in sync, but that doesn't have to be in sync, because I'm not going to screencast, and I'm just going to overlay. Yeah. Alright, fair warning before I actually begin into this entire kind of audio. I must warn you that if you're not into coding, if you don't have any inclination, any interest in coding, automation, you don't have an iOS device, and you don't use files, you can skip this. But if you still want to kind of see how I actually hack things and try to like figure this out one step at a time, stick around. But other than that, there's nothing else. This is pretty much going to be like probably like 45-50 minutes of screen recording of me just trying to figure out like some stuff. This is going to be the most horrible edit, although I'm going to just dump the entire footage. The one thing I'm going to do is definitely going to like figure out how to switch on like, I think like accessibility is the mouse pointer thingy. I don't know, where's accessibility? There you go. And then touch ID. Alright, we already have our first obstacle, which is I need to figure out how to like shift plus touch show touch points. I don't know, like screen touch. All right, so okay. All right, we will. I'm gonna cut this part. So. The audio accessibility, and then assistive touch, enable assistive touch, and then custom. Really? Save. Okay, this guy says, alright, so settings, assistive touch, does this already have custom? Control center. Device, more, multitasking gestures, no, shake, no. Tap or swipe to create a custom sequence of requirements. So that and stop. Okay, save, custom. That's essentially what the guy said. So alright, so that and custom and custom. Oh, that doesn't work. That's not what I wanted. Okay, unfortunately I can't figure out how to do the touch thing, so I'll just pick it up. Okay, so let's see what I want to do. Let's do a new. Damn it. Let's do a new. I'm actually, by the way, frustrated at this point in terms of like. Generally speaking, I'm a little irritated in terms of like the fact that I couldn't get the touch thingy working. So. So here's what I actually want to do. The first thing I want to do is I'm recording this. We're recording. The first thing I want to do is like delete. Should I have the ability to choose folder, which essentially means probably provide a list of folders to choose and shift tab. Woo. Second thing is delete folder, delete so a key thing to note is that this is very specific to my workflow. because it's gonna. I'm specifically looking for like deleting an option. Let me show you. So if I actually show the on my iPad, I use LumaFusion as like I told you, and so if you go to LumaFusion, it puts all like the stuff that like all the media that I actually carry over and cover, and basically all the media that I actually put into like the timeline just gets copied over from here. Apart from, and I usually put um, like folders in my block file. So if I have folders in my block file, if whatever I put, they get carried over. So I want to basically delete that as well. So delete, and that's why it's very my specific. Uh, it's a very my specific shortcut as opposed to like a generic one. File ext as confirmation. Okay, and then part 2. Now this is the part which is like oh shoot. How do I undo? How do I undo? Alright, screw it, I'm not going to look for that. Part 2, which is underline. Oh dear lord. Underline. This is why you use the keyboard, and I don't know why I'm not using the keyboard. It's just maybe next screencast I'll use a keyboard. Part 2 is ask. I don't want it underlined. Oh, there it is. Ask if want to upload, and then ask if you want to upload. Create a Google Photos album, and then upload album. I spell like a 1-year-old. Upload all files from folder to new album. I think I kind of want to mention that like part 2 is actually part 1, because it should be more like, do you want to upload folders? Do you want to upload the photos and then choose that folder, and then that folder gets uploaded, and then that same folder is what I delete. So it should probably like provide a list of folders, which photos you want to upload, and then calculate the number of files. Yeah, so should be part 1. Which is funny. So I should want to put like a smiley on that, and show number of items to upload. I think this is definitely going to be like definitely think this is going to be another kind of like live telecast I'll do maybe tomorrow or maybe sometime next week, because I'll have to figure out APIs, and everything has to be written in JavaScript, which I don't know, because the app that I want to use is Scriptable, that allows you to like write JavaScript, and I'm not 100% sure that will work. I'm not 100% sure that provides APIs. Actually, we can look at it. So Scriptable, yeah, close. Let's look through. No, cancel. It's documentation. Is it under HTTP? There's nothing. Oh, requests. So there is perform HTTP requests. So this one is going to be a very simple shortcut that I'm going to do, which is choose a list of folders, provide a list of folders, and then delete that folder, and then ask if I want to delete the LumaFusion folder, file extension folder like path, and then if the answer is yes, then go ahead and delete it. Yeah, that's what it should be. All right, so let's get started. Actually, let's put this shortcuts hack project. OCDs. Alright, so shortcuts. Create new shortcuts. I have a few shortcuts. I'm gonna try to see if I can make more. Alright, new shortcut. Let's actually put that over here, so I think very easy. So the first thing is provide a list of folders to choose. So folder. Do I have something for folders? Folder. No. Create a folder. Get inspiration. No. Files. Yeah. File. Just file. Process. What? Get file, save file, delete file, get details of files, get a link to files, filter files. Given a list of files, this action returns the files that match the given criteria. I want that. I'm 100% sure there was like a delete file option. There is delete files. Delete the file name passed in as input, so we'll definitely need that. So let's see if this works. Alright. That won't work. Documents. Is this? Get the files from iCloud, turn off show document picker to specify path to retrieve. Well, let's see. Get file and service. This just gives me iCloud Drive or no, that won't work. Come on. Get a link to files. Get a public link to the file passed into the action. Get a link to file. What does this do? No, not this. I wonder if I can do this in like Scriptable. Documentation. File manager. Use it with the path of a documents directory. Use it with the path to the documents and your scripts are stored in this directory. If you have iCloud enabled, your scripts will be stored. No, I don't want this. Sample scripts. There should be something in the samples. Input selected file to bear. Over here. Document picker that open. No. Actually, let's kind of Google this. Sorry about that. It's just iOS shortcuts plus list files on device. So it says do that, so let's do that. Get file, show document picker, and then I want to do file, get details of files. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it allows me to browse, and then I can do files. Oh. No. Cancel. No, that's not what I want. That is not what I want. This is turning out to be quite frustrating, and I am that close to actually quitting. Okay, so this is quite frustrating. Let me see if I actually can use Scriptable to do something. So let's see. Scriptable documentation. Let's see. Presents document picker. Presents a document. Use this to present a picker that allows opening a document from Files app, exporting a document to Files app, and opening a document. The picker will prompt you to select one or more documents, after which you will get a path to the document. Use the file manager to read the content of these files. When exporting a document, the picker will ask you to select a destination to start. Okay, so this might work. Let's see. Go back. How do I dismiss? So plus. No, I gotta look at examples of actually. Let's look at let use let defines a variable, and then okay, so let defines. All right, so come on. All right, so comment. Use document picker to choose a folder on the iPad that we need to export. Need to return export the need to delete photos from. Alright, so let dp equal document picker dot open folder, and then what's print? Is there a print? Look. Quick look, present an item. Use the quick look to present a file, an image, or a text. The quick look will try to choose the best suited presentation item. Okay, that works. So quick look dot present dp. What does this do? Oh. No. Oh wait, so it's doing. Oh wait, what is? Close. Sorry, cancel. What does? What does await do? What is, oh wait, I want to Google this. Scriptable document picker, 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 document picker. Oh dear lord, like, don't want this. I want Scriptable, but what does an await do? Wait. Okay. No. The issue is with JavaScript. Okay, so I think JavaScript. Okay, this is basically now me googling what JavaScript works. Oh wait. Is used to wait for a promise. It can be only used as async function. Because an async function execute a pause until a promise is settled, and to resume execution of the async function after fulfillment when resumed. Okay, so stuff to read later. So we're going to let's just say wait. Now let's play this. Alright, so yeah. Exports. Alright, let's do. It gives me a path, and then I can do first this wait. And it says let files equal file manager dot local dot documents directory dp and quick look dot present files. What does this do? Done. It doesn't do anything. Goes. Finally, let's see. Read files, store them, and make changes. And paths to files are supplied as strings. So, path to a document section. File exists. How do I list file? Creation file is directory is file. Is file stored in cloud? Join paths joins to path library directory path to a library list contents list all the contents and then return array then return the return array contains file paths to all the files in the directory. Okay, so let's close this. So we want list contents to directory path. Let's see. Save. Index 0 is okay. That was export. So index 0 is string. Okay. It runs a string. Okay, so how do I do a for? Part of the problem with the whole JavaScript thing, which is what I didn't want to do, is now this whole thing looks like I need to figure out how to do a for loop. What does this do? Close, done. Is there reminders due today? So for reminder of reminders. Okay, so back to this guy. I'm actually kind of thinking now that if that's the case, just ask a confirm prompt present an alert. Use this to configure an alert presented modally or as a sheet. After configuring the alert, call present alert or present sheet to present an alert. The two present will return a value which carries the index of the action that was selected when followed. Message title: new alert. Add action. Add cancel action. Adds a cancel action to the adds secure text field. Adds a present the alert modally. Presents the alert. Alright, because I'm thinking I don't really need to list the files as much as I just need to I need this for later. Scriptable plus alert send alert. On this port, find alert. Letters alert message is this alert present, and then check if you found any events. Alert presents alert dot supports for displaying notifications. Scriptable. No, not that. Sorry. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna hack this. So it's new alert, and then add an action. Adds an action. Adds an action button to the alert. To check if an action was selected, you should use the first parameter provided when the promise returned by the present alert and present method is resolved. You should use the first parameter provided. Okay, and then add cancel action. Okay, let's do this. Let alert equal new alert, then alert dot add action delete dot is there a messages equal delete folder question mark close, and then alert dot alert no alert dot add action yes dear Lord yes turn alert dot add cancel action no turn, and then let answer equal alert wait alert dot present. Alright, export's done, and it says delete folder yes. Oh, I didn't do anything. So okay, quick look dot present the answer. Alright, done yes 0. Okay, help quick look done no -1. Whoa. So okay, so alright, we'll do this. If if, how do I do if conditions? Crap. Seems to be. Alright, so standard if async if, alright, if answer, please tell me it's just, do I do triple equal? I'm essentially kind of checking that, like, do I have to do a triple equal to for an if condition, or do I like have to just just do a double equal to? As JavaScript I know had this problem, but like I don't know if that's come on, there have to be like scripts. Okay, so it's double equal to. So go back here. If answer equal 0, can I close this and then do it? Delete, dear Lord, delete the folder. File manager dot local dot, do I have like a point documentation on file manager? Removes a file. Use the file in the specified use the with caution rules cannot be restored. Awesome. I don't want to do that to my exports. So let's see. Create a new folder called delectable. Alright, so that's my folder. Alright. It's file manager cross. Oh wait, delete, remove. Removes, it doesn't return anything. So what does this do? Dot remove the GP. Okay. This doesn't return anything, so can I quickly format this? Like, it's annoying the crap out of me. Like, is there a way to format this? There's no. Cancel. Close this. Is there a way to format this? Always run an app, URL scheme, scriptable, blah blah blah, crap. There isn't. It's tab. Sorry, this is more of an OCD of me. And we don't need this guy. Delete. Present the user with a confirmation about a destructive delete. Okay, so let's do that. Where the hell's my deletable? So deletable, done. Are you sure you want to delete the folder? Yes. Is it gone? It's not gone. What? Oh, it's gone. Oh wow, this actually like permanently deleted. I'm gonna try this one more time. New folder, temp
done. Well, I should try this one more time. This is nice. Let's try this. On my iPad, I want the temp folder. Done. Are you sure you want to delete the folder? Yes. Go ahead. Let's do. Yeah, wow. Oh yeah, that works. Let's just do done. Let's go back and then 10. Present user to confirm if LumaFusion files should be deleted. So now this is the part where I actually I'm gonna hard code like the location of like the LumaFusion file extension, the folder that I want to delete, because I don't want to prompt the user like choose that. Like I don't want to be able to prompt it. Like the only thing I want prompted is the first folder, and then confirmations are okay, but I don't want that prompt. So I'm gonna hard code that URL. Okay, so let dp let's see if I can reuse it. So wait, document. Actually, let's just do this another one. Done. Plus let dp equal wait space document bigger dot open folder, and then quick look dot present dp. Play this on my iPad. LumaFusion library media file extension done. I'm just gonna copy that, copy, close, and then done. This one, delete that one. That's the one we want. Enter hardcoding coding path to the LumaFusion library media folder. Enter, close, and paste. Cool. And so now we'll ask for the let alert equal a new alert, alert dot message equal to equal to delete LumaFusion cached files question mark, and then alert dot action add action. Yes. Oh dear Lord, what was that? What did I do? Well, I don't know what that was. Oh, there's something called a log I can do. Alert dot add cancel action. No. And then enter. If let answer equal alert dot present, and then if answer if answer is equal to a 0, the loop through HROU. At this point, I want to call out to Maddie and Athi, who actually troubled me enough. This is how I used to write through, and then they made me write extra characters at this point. So loop through each file in library media and delete. So we select dir let files equal. So at this point, I'm going to just do a quick look on the files. So let files is equal to I don't know why I'm singing like the Imperial March since it's evening. Files is equal to file manager dot local dot is it list contents? No, oh sorry, list contents on. Oh, I could just do let l path l. Can I do underscores? How do I do shift underscore shift path deal path equal that, and directory path is l path, and then let's just do a quick look. I could have put the braces and then tab. Indentation is everything when it comes to programming files. Right. What's the error? Sorry. Cannot declare let variable twice. Alert. Okay, so we can do that. Come on. We can do that. Alert. Two. Yeah, at this point I don't like the idea of like putting it as alert 2, but just trying to be a little bit quick. File manager local let files is equal to do. I don't think I have. Let's see. Something else. Let variable twice answer. Okay, so we can do that as well. I forgot about that too. Okay, so don't want to do. Oh, so this one will cancel. I actually need to create something. So let's you know what? Let's do this. Let's and I'm going to just save to files on my iPad, LumaFusion, library media, file extension, save, and yeah. Now I'm gonna go here. I've got 4 files. Let's go back to this guy. No, I don't want to delete. Rats. Do I have the temp? I don't have temp, so cancel. At this point, I should probably also automate the idea that I new folder temp. I should probably just kind of automate the idea of like creating a new folder. So temp done. Delete folder, yes. Delete LumaFusion cache file, yes. Dear, let's say quick look dot present. What's it to? Cancel. New folder temp done. Let's go to this one. Scriptable. On my iPad, temp done. Yes. No. What was that? What was that? Yeah. What just happened? Oh dear Lord, I haven't done it. Oh, wait. Alright, I'm going to just say alright, Snapseed done. No. Delete cache files, yes. The answer is yes. Close. And then what happens to this? I did say answer is equal to 2. What just the file ext couldn't be opened because you don't have permissions to view it. Really? Why don't have permissions to view it? File manager dot local dot permissions. Is there something for permissions? Check. Is there a download file access, file extension, file name, file size, get UTI, iCloud is directory, is find downloaded, is file stored in cloud, join path, library data, list contents. Right, local, move, read, the has data, read extended, read image, remove temporary, right. Why don't I have permissions? Why don't I have scriptable check file permissions. No, check for iOS scriptable. Let's see, iOS scriptable. This is a bummer. Is directory, is cloud, is... I don't know what get UTI, get the UTI, unified type address string. Dear, files, everything related to files, this files, show super files, this social profiles, visible files, dir, create directory, documents directory, file manager, is directory, is library directory are used to retrieve the path of the documents directory. The directory can be used for long-term storage documents and cannot be accessed using the Files app. Temporary directory, no, I don't want that. Render files and disks. Why don't I have permissions to write to... come on, this is just ridiculous. I mean, fairly without that, it's just a shortcut that allows me to choose a folder and then permanently delete it. It still kind of works. I'm gonna like spend like at this point this entire stream is like 45 minutes. I'm gonna spend like 5 more minutes and from there I'm gonna call it and say, and then I'm gonna see. I still don't know how do I integrate this with the whole shortcuts app, and then I'll have to proof test this over like tomorrow to make sure that it doesn't randomly delete stuff. Has to be with the file manager. Just can I return, like, I'm kind of thinking if I can return I'm kind of thinking if I can return that path as the answer to this shortcut, and then if the return of that if I can, like, yeah, let's see if I can actually delete like files off from like the shortcut. So let's do that. New shortcut. Where is the Files app? The Files, come on. Where's the Files app? Back. Files. File. Append to file. Get files. Get link to file. Filter files. Get link to files. Filter files. Gonna do a do a text. Let's do text, and then let's just stop this. Copy, and this is paste here, and then file. Get details of files. Get detail called files. Last modified date from text. Let's see if I can do that. Ready? From. It's a file done. Do I do a quick look? Quick look. No action was. Shortcuts. list of last modified date pass file path to action. How do I guess the file from iCode the tools offshore document to specify a path to retrieve. Okay, get file. So what this hardcode turn off file path and delete it. Seriously? Slash shortcut slash can I just okay should document print bigger and just still do this file the details of file detail called last modified file, so let's just still do that. Browse location unmapped LumaFusion library media file extension. Let's just do that. Okay, so for some reason I can do that. Let's say file, delete a file, last modified, show more control before deleting. No, just that. Yeah, delete. Did you delete it? I don't know. Oh, version just it's not there. That media file extension 8449 is not deleted. So it doesn't. It's still there. That's a bummer. 45 minutes in, I have no hopes. So I'm gonna see if I can actually how do I link the shortcut. So let's clean this up. Let's comment this guy. Comment. Can I just multi-select and do a comment? Awesome. Done. Oh. It's just sorry. Names. Let's rename this to delete folder. Rename it. I want the icon. It's utility, and so emojis, hands, gender. Oh no, there's a the folder notifications. No. To run the script routinely, share sheet imports. That's for specifying one or more action inputs. You can run the script within content, share from other apps as input. Use the global args and use script to access the input. Refer to the documentation. Host on an app. Scripts run from a stage shotgun and share sheet have limited amount of memory. Still, scripts that process a lot of data There was a problem in the app. If this happens when running a script, this will cause your script to open Scriptable app, which is allowed to consume mobile memory. Okay, I don't want that. No. Close. What is it? No. Does it? The folder %20. Done. Let's see. Delete. App. Scriptable. What is run inline script? Runs a script in Scriptable. The parameter can be accessed using the also shortcut parameter. This parameter can be so run script. Run Scriptable. The parameter. What's the difference between inline and this? Come on. When passing a file as input, the action will be attempted to read the files. A part of the file will be passed instead. Use args when passing large number of files. Run an app. Use JavaScript to keyboard or script.set shortcut output to output a value. In case you don't output a value, add script.complete to indicate that your script has finished running. So we're gonna still do that. Script dot. Oh, come on. You're acting complete. Actually, set shortcut output. What does set shortcut output take? Let's see. Script. Sets the output when running the script. Okay, so it's just let's do this for now. I can't do output, so if answer equal. Come on, you equal 0, close curly brackets, and tab script set output value is folder deleted. Close. Else open. Delete. Aborted. Close. Return. Done. I don't want any parameters, so run script. What? No, I don't. Stop it, come on. Oh dear Lord, why are you run an app and I don't really cancel picking a document, exception occurred. Shortcuts on my iPad. new folder, temp, Scriptable, show when running. Run this. Show when running. Okay. Okay. What an app. Clear. I don't want to run it with shortcuts. Run shortcuts. No. Dear Lord, Scriptable. Where's Scriptable? Run an inline scripts. What's the difference? Run inline script. What is? Oh, this is inline script. Okay, I want this. Run script delete folder and show and run. Okay, run an app. Temp done. Delete folder, yes. And go back to I gotta do a script.complete still. Okay. Script.complete done. Okay. Close this. I gotta now create that stupid folder. New folder. Temp. Done. On my iPod creator, done. Delete the folder, yes. Oh, come on. Delete folder. Done. Let's just see. Okay, so what the and then just say return. Done. Wow.
Okay, essentially at this point I'm gonna call this like a failed mission because I'm not 100% sure how this is supposed to run. It should pass the control back. Uh, so the screen recording. It should have passed the control back on in terms of like uh, the thing. So I'll have to figure out why this is not working. I'll have to check that out. Anyway, this is basically what happens on a hack. It can go either way. So this one went south. Some other ones would have gone positive, but see you guys next one. Peace.